You're good.
Hello everyone, I am Charise Anderson and I'm running for one of the 5 open seats for Wayne County 3rd Circuit Court Judge. And I have been a practicing attorney for the last 14 years. I currently work at the Michigan Attorney Grievance Commission as a senior associate counsel there. And if you're unfamiliar with that agency, think internal affairs for attorneys. And so when attorneys don't do what they are supposed to do, we are the office that investigates and gets restitution back for clients that have had issues with attorneys. But also we recognize that people in all fields, including the legal field, have issues with mental health and substance abuse issues as well. And so we also try to refer these attorneys that have these problems somewhere where they can get help and continue to keep their license if we believe that they can do so. Prior to that, I was an assistant prosecuting attorney for the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office, where I have had the opportunity to prosecute everything from an assault and battery to a homicide. And prior to that, I was a defense attorney, a criminal defense attorney, so I have had the opportunity to be on both sides of the V, if you will. I currently live in Canton, where I sit on the Board of Ethics there. And my prior educational background includes being a product of the Detroit public school system, including graduating from Cass Technical High School, as well as graduating from Wayne State University and Western Michigan University Thomas and Cooley Law School, where I had a concentration in litigation. And so my platform is anchored in justice, committed to serve. And what that means for me is that I want to be a judge that's accessible to the community, not just during election season with my hand out asking for your vote, but during the off season as well. I want to be a judge that you can invite to your events and to your forums, and so that I can explain more about the justice system. Education is very dear to my heart, and so my husband and I have started these seminars called Students and the Law Seminars. And what we do is we talk to students about laws that impact them specifically. And we also talk to them about police encounters, as my husband is a retired Detroit police sergeant. And so we have these critical conversations with young people about police encounters and how to conduct themselves. We get the perspective of the citizen, and the citizen has the opportunity to get the perspective of a law enforcement officer. What I like to tell people is you're more likely to come in contact with your local elected officials than you are perhaps the President of the United States. And so you want to do your homework and pay particular attention to who you are voting for when it comes to the judges. And so you may have an opportunity to go before a judge, not just if you're a victim of a crime or if you have committed a crime, but you may also go before a 3rd Circuit Court judge in the civil realm if you have a contract dispute or things of that nature, or you have a restructuring of your family. And you may also have an opportunity to go in front of a 3rd Circuit Court judge if you have a juvenile that has gotten in trouble with the law, and you would see that judge at the Lincoln Hall of Justice. And so I would ask that you would flip your ballot over, where you will see the non-incumbent open positions for Wayne County 3rd Circuit Court Judge. And if you would consider on or before November 8th, voting Charise Anderson for Wayne County 3rd Circuit Court Judge. Thank you.